The drawing editor is used to draw on top of an image pane. To draw on either the base or the source image, select the Drawing tab and press either the Base Image button, the Base plus Overlay Image button, or the Source Image button. We'll select the base image. Note that the base image won't include the brick overlay. If we wanted to include the overlay, we'd need to press the Base plus Overlay button. The Base plus Overlay button can take a few minutes because it needs to supply a high-quality image fuse to the drawing editor. The top row of buttons in the dialog box determine the type of drawing object to be created. Each type of object has a set of controls that appear to the right of the image pane. The controls allow you to set properties like color, line width, font, and curvature. The brush mode allows freehand drawing. To use it, hold down the mouse button and drag. The lines mode allows you to draw jointed line segments by clicking at the endpoints. The segments can be straight or curved. Press the Finish object to close one line object before starting a new one. The Boxes mode allows you to draw filled or hollow boxes. To use, just drag from one corner to the opposite corner. The Ovals mode allows you to draw filled or hollow ovals. Again, to use, just drag from one corner to the opposite corner. The Polygons mode allows you to draw a filled or hollow polygon. The polygon edges can be straight lines or curved. Use the Finish Object button to close one polygon before starting a new one. The Text mode allows you to draw text that follows a curved path. If the path is a single point, the text starts from that point and flows right. If the path is 2 points, the text starts at the first point and flows in the direction of the second point. If the path is 3 or more points, the text flows along the path itself. The Flood Fill mode is a bit unusual in a few ways. Unlike the flood fills found in most paint programs, it builds an object that you can continue to edit, meaning you can increase or decrease tolerances to fine-tune it, or change the flooding color. Clicking multiple times in different locations results in a single flooding object that may include several unconnected areas. The flooding object can be used to recolor the area flooded, as opposed to simply repainting it. Note that the area flooded is based on the pixel values found in the original image supplied. Any other objects you draw won't affect how far the flooding spreads. The Modify mode allows you to edit the drawing objects you created in the drawing editor. If you click on an object, its properties can be edited and the object will present edit handles. The edit handles for the lines, boxes, ovals, polygons, and text allow them to be reshaped. The edit handles for the other objects are only useful to help establish which object was selected. The Modify mode also lets you drag around objects, with the exception of flood fill objects. The Move Forward mode allows you to click on a drawing object to bring it forward. Note that it doesn't bring the object to the front, it just raises the object one level higher in the drawing stack. It may take several clicks to bring an object to the top. The Move Backward mode operates similarly. The Delete mode allows you to get rid of a drawing object by clicking on it. You can use an object as an eraser by selecting its Erase property. You can control the degree of transparency using the opacity slider in the Color dialog. This is occasionally useful when drawing on source images to make holes in them. When you are done drawing, press the Done, Use Image as Displayed button. Once you leave the drawing window, your drawing objects are merged into the image and are no longer editable.